So coming on here because I just received this Illiyoon moisturizer for face and body for a review, and I wanted to come on here to show you guys and to test it out. So first of all, just to go through the kind of ingredients, it does have quite a bit of ingredients, as you can see, but there's no artificial fragrance added. Does say it might have like unique smell originating from its ingredients, but there's no actual fragrance, so that's pretty cool. And then it does claim to have moisturizing effects up to 100 hours, which is pretty nice. So we're going to be testing it out on my face. I just showered, so this is gonna be perfect. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you grab it out. It looks kind of like a very thick kind of moisturizer. Definitely feels like it's going to be protecting your face for a long time. So let me try it out. I'm going to just put it on my face. It doesn't really have a smell, to be honest with you. Or like a little bit of a smoky smell. It's interesting. Alright, so I just put the moisturizer on my face. Definitely feels really, really soft. Definitely feels like it got moisturized. I mean, it was super dry before because I just came out of the shower, had nothing on my face. I just put this on. So this is a pretty cool product. Definitely need to try it out more to give a full review. But this is just an initial first review of it. I love it. It feels great on my skin, and it definitely is making it more moisturized. So yeah, go check it out.